Hello there and hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Desmond Dimo and I hope you guys are cool. I hope everyone is okay. You watching this wherever you are watching this from. I hope you're fine. I hope you're actually good because guys, it's been a very testing year for a lot of people in the sense that people lost, family members and all that loved ones. Some things happened, some things, got spoils here and there. But I hope everyone is fine. Listen, man, first of all, we have to be grateful that we have actually been able to make it this far alive. Yes, I said it. We have actually been able to make it this far alive. Like, you've made it this far, guys. First of all, let me just give you guys a round of applause because it's not easy. As my people will say it, easy. Oh. From Nigeria, we will say easy. Oh. Like literally, you made it this far, man. Like, congrats, man. Give thanks to God. You know how we do it. So yeah, welcome to my channel. And the essence of today's video is to actually talk to you guys. Like, I want to actually discuss with you guys. Okay, I want to actually have this conversation with you guys because see guys, here is the thing about this trading business that people do not understand. It could be it is a very demanding profession. It's a very demanding thing. Okay, so before you come and say you want to be a forex trader, you have to first of all sit down and think about it. Like, is this are you ready? Are you ready? And in I'm not saying are you ready in the sense that are you do you have money or something? No, like, are you actually ready? To stand the ups and downs, because yes, there will be there will be ups, there will be downs. Because if it is all rosy, I think like literally every foreign trader out there will be living, in God knows where, living, making so much money and all that, making so much wealth, making so much wealth if it was that easy. Okay, so first of all, you need to ask yourself: are you actually ready for what you want? Are you mentally ready for it? Because this is something that people do not actually talk about, and I'm here once again to talk to you guys about these things. Okay, there are a few things that you need to get in order. Okay, that you need to actually have ready. Okay, have them checked before you actually come and say you want to be a forex trader. Because guys, let me not lie to you, man. So some people actually slip into depression, and that is the actual in all honesty, because you guys have been sold this lifestyle that you see on Instagram, on Twitter. Then you rush to to trading. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna be like them. But what you guys fail to understand is that behind an overnight success is years and nights of multiple grinding, burning candles. Yeah, bro, man, like, people put in so much work for months and years, for nights, endlessly, non-stop, pushing faster, harder than they did previously, pushing harder. You get me? So you need to actually understand that certain things, certain factors can actually affect your trading career. However, I'm not here to talk about that anyway. I'm actually here to talk to you guys about trading checklist. Okay, now what are the checklists? Like, what exactly? Because I see a lot of people just wake up in the morning, and then they come to the trading view and then just start clicking buttons, blah blah blah, and then take trades. However, if you do not have if you're first of all, you need to have a strategy that works. Okay, checklist for trading forex 101. Get a strategy that works. Okay, get a device, get internet connection, get lights. Get me? So now let me just go through my journal real quick. You guys know, as professional as I am, I still have my journal. Yeah, because it's very crucial to my trading. Okay, so here are the things you want to checklist for actually trading for the day. So once you wake up and then you come to your whichever device your that gives you access to analyze the market, be it your phone, your computer. I don't know what you guys use, but I'd actually suggest you use a laptop. Okay, so here are the checklist. So the first thing you want to do when you come to the trading view is identify structure. Yes, I said it. Identify. Identify. I hope you guys are with your writing material, so you can make notes of the things I'm actually going to be talking about. Okay, but first things I want to talk to you guys about is, you know, come and identify structure. Yep, identify structure. Now, a lot of people avoid this. A lot of people tend to shy away from this, and that is a problem. But there is no real way you can actually make money in this market if you can't even identify structure of the market, current structure, the previous structure, overall structure, whatever. Like, and structure is nothing more than trend. Nothing more than trend. Like, what exactly are we doing? Is it this? Is it Are you seeing this? The market, are you seeing this? Are you seeing highs and lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs? Or are you seeing something like this? Just give me a sec. Are you seeing something like this? Seeing something like this? Seeing something like this? Seeing something like this? Are you seeing a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high? What exactly are you seeing? Okay, you have to be able to identify that, and that is structure. You get me? So the first thing you want to do once you come to a trading view is identify structure, and also the time frame that you use to identify this is subjective. To me, my own trading approach. I mean, I'd actually recommend you guys go and watch my previous video, which the link will be posted at the end of this video. Just stick around and then you find it. Okay, where I actually get to talk to you guys about how I like what I look out for before I actually place a trade. Yeah, you heard me. Like the things I like to see, the things I come and look out for before I actually place a trade. And then also, I called out a trade on, in that previous video. I think that was crude oil. Yeah, crude oil. Okay, oil. So I called out oil. So I've been short oil for a while. So I gave that signal out, that trade call out in my previous video. So if you've not seen it, just stick to the end of this video. The link is gonna be around. It's gonna pop up in the screen somewhere. Then you can click and then go and watch it. So the first thing is actually to identify structure. Okay, and then I mean, even if you're a swing trader, you're a day trader, you're a scalper, whatever you are, identify structure. Okay, identify structure. Then also identify swing points. Okay, so actually taking one out, identify structure. Yeah. The second thing is identify swing points. Now, what do I mean by swing points? Swing points are potential turning points in the market, in a trend. Okay, so let me just write this there. Identify swing point, or rather swings, how you might want to have it. Identify swings. Okay, so it's there as you can see right here. So identify structure first thing. Second thing, identify swings. Okay, now what exactly do I mean by identify swings? So say you have a trend like this, somewhere here, right here, there. Actually, let me just do something different. Just give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. So, I have to get this right for you guys. I have to get this right for you guys. So just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Like this. Okay. Okay. I suck at these things, guys. I really suck at these things. Okay, got it. So now, identifying swing points now. So now you come to your trading view, and then you've been able to actually identify the trend. As you can see right here, we are actually heading to the upside. Okay, it's I mean, even a chart can tell you that we are actually heading up. You get me? So this is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We are going up here. Now, next thing you want to do, that is actually point one. You have actually been able to identify structure, identify the trend of the market. That is one checklist done. You get me? So next thing is identify swings. Now, what do I mean by swings? These are the swings. These are the swings. Swings, 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 swings. You get me? So all these peaks and troughs, all these peaks and troughs, those are swings. So identify them. Identify them in the sense that you want to mark them out. Okay? You want to mark them out like so. Just give me a second. And that is where your support and resistance, or demand and supply, comes in. If you get me. So okay, after seeking structure which you have found, you now mark out the swings like so. Okay, you mark out the swings. Okay, so this So this is a resistance that pushed price back down, broke retest, became support, and boom to the upside. You get me? So now that you've actually identified your swings, you mark them out. Okay, you mark out your swings. Let me add that to the list. Mark out. Hold on, let me try that now. Mark out your swings. Mark out your swings. All right. Oh, my text was mark out your swings. Okay. Keep that there. Simple. So now, how do you mark out your swing? You just come to this. For those of you guys that use lines, I mean, I don't know, but you can either use this rectangle box, this rectangle tool here to actually mark out your swings. Okay, then you want to extend this into the future as long as possible, because you actually want to look out for this level when price comes back to that point, and that is the whole essence of actually identifying swings. Okay, now next thing, now you're so this is where it gets tricky. Okay, now you're in. I mean, you've been able to identify the trend which is heading to the upside. Okay, which is heading north. You are seeing that this is heading up. Okay, now you want to hop. I see no reason why. I see no reason why anyone would be wanting to sell when we are actually heading up. However, there could be pullbacks, which you see here. We have pullback here. We have pullback here. That's fine, totally fine. However, okay, for you to actually, like, what exactly can you do to hop onto this trend currently is to actually come and mark out this. This was the most recent swing, You get me? Okay, this is your most recent swing. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and clone this, your support or resistance as the case may be. Okay, clone it. Okay, there, and then mark out that swing. You get me? Now, why exactly are you doing this? Now you're doing this because you want to watch out for this area should, in case price decide to come back, pull back. Because 9 times out of 10 times when we break above key levels or swings, we actually come back to test that. As you can see here, we running into this barricade, into this whole point here. Then we fell back down, broke above it, came back to test it. You get me? So after testing it, we to the upside. So this is like a typical case of break and retest. You get me? So this is your break and retest, or how you want to call it. I don't know how you want to call it. But actually, the next step is actually marking out that key zone which you have, and then you want to wait and see what price does. Okay, and 9 times out of 10 times, whenever we break a key level, we always come back to test that level, which is what makes this approach very very suitable, especially for the newbies in the market. Like, yo, this is forex trading 101. Okay, ignore the lies that you've been told. This is forex trading 101. Mark out your swings in a trend. Okay, first of all, identify the trend, identify the swings, mark out the swings, then actually wait for price to come back and test that level. Wait for price to come back and test that level. So what do? You wait for price to do something like this, like so. Okay, come into this point, and then what are you looking to do? You obviously want to take buys. That's it. It's as basic as that. Obviously, you want to wake up. In fact, let me just add this because you guys get so excited and then forget the important things. Have a predetermined loss limit and risk percentage, or risk percentage rather. Simple and straight, like so. Okay, have a predetermined loss limit and risk percentage, in the sense that you don't really panic when you see pullbacks in the market, because you know that man, whatever happens, I stand to lose just 1% of my accounts. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. And if your strategy is the type that you're right, like I said, go back and check my previous video where I spoke about being right at 9 times out of 10 times. Yes, you can actually be right 9 times out of 10 times. So if you're using my own approach, my own type of strategy, and then you have a minor setback where you get to lose, or you pay that tuition of 1% to the market, because I call it tuition anyway. So you get to pay that 1% tuition to the market, and then you're using my strategy where you're right 9 times out of 10 times, best believe, man, you're not gonna feel it. It's not gonna be. I mean, it's just gonna be very, very basic. You get me? So this is literally how you want to approach the market. If you're in an uptrend, okay, wait for price to come and bounce off of. I'm spilling some secrets there, guys. But anyway, yeah. So wait for price to come and bounce off. Let it show you that it is actually reacting to that level. Then you want to take buys. Obviously, first TP here because you want to join the moving train. You don't. Last thing you want to do is stand in front of this. Okay, you want to continue. You just want to hop on and then continue with it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most simplest approach there is. The one I actually use anyway. Because one thing that you need to understand is that it's the simplest things that make money, man. In this business, quote me anywhere. If you think I'm lying, quote me anywhere. Okay. If you think I'm just bluffing, go back and check. Guys, this is why I say you should join my Telegram community so you can see my past trades, guys. I can't even remember the last time I hit stop loss. I cannot remember the last time I hit stop loss. I'm not saying this to brag to you guys or anything, but I can't actually remember the last time I hit stop loss. Okay, so I mean, guys, you need to understand that there is a realistic way to approach the market, man. Come on. I mean, yeah, there are instances where you want to take sales, okay, go against the trend, and in that sort of scenario, I don't risk anything more than 1% of my account per trade of that sort of case. You get me? However, when I'm going with the trend, when I'm going with the big boys, when I'm going with the big shark in the river, come on, guys, I'm free to risk 3%. Yeah, 3% is what I risk. Okay, so these are the things that you want to check before you actually come and take a trade in a day, guys. And that is that about today. Feel free to subscribe and then actually share and recommend this video to some of your friends that are new or currently struggling with trading, because you can never tell, man. Like, people just go through shit, but they just don't want to talk. That's why I'm making this thing publicly, so that whosoever stumbles across it actually, you get to learn these things. Because I mean, it's not everybody every time that you want to talk to someone that you actually have access to the person. So in the event that you can't reach me, okay, you can actually look at my videos and learn a few things for yourself, guys. And it's very, very simple. Okay, so for more of these videos, like I said, guys, if you want to get into the trade, the oil trade I called out in my previous video, stick around. The link to the video is gonna pop up anywhere around here. Okay, right about now even. Okay, so guys, that's that about this video, and thank you so much, guys, for sticking to the end. Before I go, guys, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's build this, because I put in so much work and time into actually making these videos, guys. So let's see what we can actually make out of this channel, and then let's see how many people we can reach out and help. Okay, because I have a goal to reach as many people as possible. Okay, I want to help you guys. Okay, that's why I come here every week to actually talk to you guys, because I know that some of these your mentors, they just sell you these courses and then they just disappear. You get me? So you need someone to guide you. You need someone to talk to you. You need someone to hold your hand and literally walk like a baby, which is exactly what I'm here for, guys. Okay, so if you want more of this, subscribe and turn on the post notification, because I send out trade calls, and then before you even get the video, we are already making so much money in the market. We are in fact already starting to leave the trade even self to secure profits and bounce off of the trade. Okay, so in the event that you do not get to see my videos on time, it's because your post notification has not been turned on. So turn it on, so that whenever I drop a video, you instantly get it first, and they come on here, because I always drop trade setups. I always drop it. Yes, if you doubt me, go and check my previous video. I actually spoke about oil there. I've been short oils right from when oil was $123 per barrel. Yes, I did. I've been shorting oil since then, and we're currently still shorting oil. And I sent out the trade call in the previous video, guys. And thank you so much for sticking around. Once again, guys, I love you guys so much, and I actually enjoy doing this. I actually enjoy coming to talk to you guys about the market. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun to come and share my compendious knowledge with you guys here. Okay, I love it. I love it sincerely. I want to see you guys succeed. You get me? So support me as much as you can. All right, so bye for now, and I hope to do this some other time, which I definitely will with you guys. But I hope you come around and stick around long enough to actually get to maximize the full potential and everything. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, and to be To keep in touch with me, guys, join my Telegram community. The link is in the description of this video before. Check below, you will find it. Okay, quick and easy. It brings you to us where you find like-minded traders and my students as well. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.